Question 9 says, given each value in your solution to two decimal places, solve the simultaneous equation. To solve the simultaneous equation, let's arrange equation 1 and let's see whether we have anything which we can substitute into equation 2 or not. So when we arrange equation 1, when I transfer this minus x and plus 2 to the other side, it becomes plus 2 minus plus x minus 2. So when we transfer this 2 to the other side, it becomes plus x minus 2. And then you know that x, if I transfer this exponential to the other side, it becomes ln. So we can write 2y equals ln and then x minus 2, whatever was there on the other side. So as we have as we have found 2y from here, in equation 2, we can see 2y over here as well. So instead of 2y, we can just substitute this whole equation and put it in equation 2. So when we do that, we get ln x plus 3 as in the question, minus, instead of 2y, we'll just write ln x minus 2. So when we write ln x minus 2 and transfer this minus 1 to the other side, it becomes plus 1. So you know that when we have ln something, let's say if you have ln x minus ln y, you can simply write ln x divided by y. Because if it's in divide mode, then you can even separate it like this. We use this concept in log and ln. Now, instead of writing ln x plus 3 minus ln x minus 2, we can simply write ln one time, and then we can divide this to ln x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 equals 1. Again, if I want to transfer this ln to the other side, as stated before, we can easily do that by putting exponential, and this one will go on the power. So in the next step, we have x plus 3 equals x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 equals e, exponential. Now from here, if I transfer this x plus 2 to the other side, it will be in multiplied mode. So e to the power x becomes ex, e to the power e multiplied by x is ex, and then e times minus 2 will become minus 2e. Now we will transfer all the x. Now we have this equation over here. We'll transfer all the x to one side. So if I transfer this x from left hand side to right hand side, it will become negative x. And when I transfer this minus 2 to the left hand side, it will become plus 2. So after rearranging this, we can take common factor from right hand side, and the common factor is x. When we take a common factor, we are left with e minus 1. And on the left hand side, we have 3 plus 2e. Now, if I want to subject the value of x, I will transfer this e minus 1 to the other side. And as it's in a multiplied mode, it will become division. So finally, we have x equals 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2e divided by e minus 1. When you use a calculator, you can finally get the value of x, which is 4.91. Now we have to find the value of y. We have to substitute this value of x into any of the equation. So the best equation over here can be, this one, where we have found 2y equals ln x minus 2. So if I transfer this 2 to the other side, it will become divided by 2. So we can simply substitute the value of x over here, and we can finally get the value of y, that is 0.53.